All right, hey, we're going to solve some linear equations. What can we do to solve linear equations? Well, I have a big poster up in my room, and it says, I would like to add to both sides, subtract from both sides, multiply both sides, divide both sides. Other options, distribute, simplify. We got some squaring, square rooting, and cross multiplying. But mainly add, subtract, multiply, and divide. That should get us through this. So what can we do? We can add, subtract, multiply, divide both sides. Remember, equations are like, they're like a teeter-totter. If I add one guy to this side, I better add one guy to that side. If I double the people on this side, doubling that would turn it to 2. Well, then I better double the number of people on the other side to keep it balanced. If I take one person off, I better take one person off. So that's how an equation works. Whatever I do, I better do it to both sides. Take this guy off. Goodbye. Purple people. Here's our first one. K minus 19 equals 19 plus 3k. Well, I can go either way. I'm going to subtract a k from both sides. Minus k minus k. That's going to give me negative 19 equals 19 plus 3 kangaroos minus 1 kangaroo. 2 kangaroos. Now I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides here. It's going to give me negative 38 equals 2k. At this point, I would divide both sides by 2. Dividing by 2, dividing by 2. It's going to give me negative 19. And that's my answer. Let's take a look at this one. I can move either way. I'm going to subtract 2h from this side, minus 2h minus 2h. It's going to give me 7 equals, well, 1 hotel minus 2 hotels is negative hotel. Now I remember why I chose this problem. Because right here, students are going to get confused. Well, this is still not solved. Negative h. I have two options. I can either divide both sides by a negative 1, and that's what I'm going to do. Or I could have multiplied both sides by a negative 1. The negatives cancel. H equals negative 7. Make sure you don't leave an answer with a negative h or a negative x equals something. And our last one. 8 narwhals minus 2 equals negative 12 plus 6 narwhals minus 20. Okay, hey, you know what? I was wrong. That poster I was just reading, one of the things it says is simplify or combine like terms. So let's do some simplification right here. Let's take care of that. What's that going to be? 8n minus 2, I have negative 12 and negative 20. That's negative 32. So 8n minus 2 equals negative 32 plus 6n. Yeah, let's subtract 6n from both sides. 2n. Well, can I add 2 to both sides at the same time? (2n) equals negative 30. Dividing both sides by 2. N equals negative 15. All right. That's it for that one. Go practice it.